Who am I? People just see an animal. They call me a savage. I'm the most vicious, ruthless champion that's ever been. No one can match me. My style's impetuous. I'm ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat your children. Praise be to Allah. Is that who I am?
Whether I'm right
I gave you life. Now you heading down the path of a doomed child.
or whether I'm wrong,
It's coming, Mike. It's coming.
whether I find a place in this world
That filthy place, it made me become who I needed to become.
or never belong.
You Muhammad Ali now?
I'm going to be the youngest heavyweight champion in the world.
I want to live,
You gotta be the meanest fighter God ever created.
not merely survive.
Don't you want to change your life?
And I won't give up
Your superiority will be undeniable.
alive.
They'll love you as much as they fear you.
You better keep on with it. The second you lose, they throwing your ass out.
This is all about immortality. About your name being known till the end of time.
I'll go it alone. That's how it must be.
You're so desperate for someone to love you.
Be right,
The minute you get too big, they gotta cut you down.
right for me.
But don't be that monster. Be our king.
I just gotta be free.
If I wasn't the champ, who would still love me? So, who am I?
I'm